नगर मधील विश्वसनीय नाव कराळे मॅथ्स अकॅडमी, गॅरंटी ऑफ एक्सलंट रिझल्ट आणि बीके फिजिक्स अकॅडमी, एक उज्ज्वल यशासाठी.
लॉकडाऊन काळात खास घेऊन येत आहे 10वीतून 11वी सायन्स साठी प्रवेश घेणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी घर बसल्या फ्री ऑनलाईन क्लासेस. दिनांक 3 जून पासून सुरू. 11वीचा पाया भक्कम करण्याबरोबरच सुरुवातीपासून MCQ एक्झाम जसे की CET व JEE ची दर्जेदार तयारी करिता
आजच आपला प्रवेश निश्चित करा. अधिक माहितीसाठी संपर्क 9923222488 9130143631. विजिट www.karalemaths.blogspot.in.
Hello student, so now in this video we are going to start one of the important lesson from the second section, and this is the first lesson from the second section, not the second. And as I had explained at the starting video, so we are going to use the Roman letters to denote the Roman digit to denote the lesson from the second section. So Roman 1 indicate this is the lesson of second section, and name of the lesson is the complex number. Keep in mind, this lesson it's completely totally new to you. Is it clear? So that's why it is very important, and this lesson it is also necessary for the higher mathematics. तुम्ही जेव्हा इंजिनिअरिंग ला जाल त्यावेळेस पण तुम्हाला कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरचा स्टडी करायचा राहतो. Now let's see the one by one. Now the topics. Firstly, let's see the topics that we are going to discuss under the heading complex number. The first point that we have to discuss here is the imaginary number. Question mark. म्हणजे नेमकं imaginary number हे काय आहे हे आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे. Second one, what is meant by complex number? Next to that means once if we define imaginary number, then we'll be able to define what is meant by complex number. Next to that, so third point is the algebra of the complex number. Now what is this topic, algebra of the complex number? In this topic we are going to discuss how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to divide the, or how to take the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of the complex number. Algebra, basic, what is the basic effect of the algebraic operation? Basic algebraic operation it is performed on that complex number. Next आहे geometrical representation of that complex number. Now in school standard, I think it may be from 9th or 10th standard, if I say the point whose coordinate 2,3 represent this point in the graph, याला जर represent करा असं मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला, then what will be your step? You have to draw this coordinate frame. Name that horizontal axis as x axis, vertical axis as a y axis. 1 2 1 2 3. Suppose here is the 2 and here is the 2, so this is the location of this point. It is the point A, 2,3. What is this? Representation of the point in the plane. Thus this is the, what is this? This is the representation of real number, representation of the number in the coordinate system. तशा प्रकारात इथे जिओमेट्रिकली हाऊ कॅन वी रिप्रेझेंट द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, हा पॉइंट आपल्याला इथे पाहायचा आहे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज अनदर रिप्रेझेंटेशन, अनदर टू रिप्रेझेंटेशन, polar and exponential forms, or we can say these are the format of that complex number, and that is the polar and exponential forms of that complex number. Keep in mind, these are the interconvertible, means polar can be converted into exponential, exponential can be converted into polar. Is that clear? So this is the, and the last point is one theorem. So just we need to use one theorem. This is included in our syllabus without proof, and we have to solve the question on that theorem. That name of that theorem is the De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's is the name of mathematician, so that is the De Moivre's theorem. Now let's see the one by one. Firstly, what is the need of this chapter? कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरची नेमकी गरज काय आहे, नीड काय आहे हे आपण पाहूया. सपोज somebody tells you that solve this quadratic equation. 2x square plus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. You know that there are different method to solve the quadratic equation from 10th standard. तुम्ही 10th मध्ये शिकलेले आहात, quadratic equation ला सॉल्व करण्याचे वेगवेगळ्या मेथड आहेत. So first one is factorization method, next one is the completing square method, and another method is we can say it is the sure shot method, that is the formula method. Now formula method, it is applicable for all the types of quadratic equation. Now let us proceed by formula method. Now if we compare by म्हणा किंवा from म्हणा, from ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here we get a is equals to 2, b as a 5 and c as a 2. Then use the formula. So what is that formula? Formula is, so simply note down this point so that we will be able to understand flow of the lesson. ह्या लेसन चा फ्लो नेमका कसा आहे हे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. So using x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2. We get x is equals to minus b, so which is minus 5, then plus or minus square root of b square, b is 5, so write down the square as a 25, minus 4 a into c, this is a, this is c, 2 2s are 4, divided by 2 into a, what is a, which is 2. Now let's see here. So 4 4s are 16. So now shall I erase that points? So now it will use you x as a minus 5 plus or minus 4 4s are 16, 25 minus 16, that is the 9, divided by 2 into 2, this is equals to square root of 9 is the 3, divided by 4. Now considering the plus sign for the first time and the minus sign for the next time, it will use you minus 5 plus 3 upon 4, or x is equals to minus 5 minus 3 upon 4. Minus 5 plus 3, it is minus 2 by 4, or this x is equals to, so minus 3 minus 5 is the minus 8 by 4, that is nothing but 4 2s are, so it is minus 2, and it is 1 by 2. So these are the roots or the solution of this quadratic equation, 2x square plus 5x plus 2. So we have solved this quadratic equation with the help of or using the some simple step. Is that clear? Now let us consider another example. Suppose if I say solve the equation x square minus 4x x square minus 4x plus 13, x square minus 4x plus 13. If I say solve this equation using the formula method or the method that you wish, तुम्हाला जी कुठली मेथड यूज करायची आहे त्या मेथडने सॉल्व करा. बट लेट अस यूज द फॉर्म्युला मेथड, बिकॉज फॉर्म्युला मेथड इट इज व्हेरी शॉर्ट ऑर द व्हेरी क्लिअर कट, व्हेरी सिंपल मेथड टू यूज. वापरण्यासाठी ही अतिशय सिंपल मेथड आहे. Before that, once again let's come to the previous example. So we solve with the help of factorization formula method, and the answer it is comes out to be x as a minus 1 by 2 or x is equals to minus 2, whatever it is. That two numbers are the real number, means solution of this quadratic equation, means for the previous example, solution of this quadratic equation are the two real number, or we are able to find out its exact answer, because in this case we have discriminant delta, which is b square minus 4ac, and that b square minus 4ac is a 9. In this case, that delta b square minus 4ac, it is greater than 0. So that's why the roots are real and the distinct. तुम्ही 10th मध्ये पहा काही केसेस पाहिलेले आहेत. So I just want to explain that cases once again. डिस्क्रिमिनंट नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स ह्या हेडिंग मध्ये पाहिलं होतं पहा. सो द केस इन विच सपोज x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In this case, this is called as the delta. So delta as a b square minus 4ac. The roots, it's having the different natures. Roots, it's having the different nature depending on the value of this delta. If it is greater than 0, then the roots will be, in short, real and distinct. If delta is equals to 0, then roots, it will be the real and equal. या केसेस तुम्ही स्कूल मध्ये पाहिलेले आहेत 10th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये. बट इफ आय से डेल्टा लेस दॅन 0, पण 10th मध्ये असं एक एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही पाहिलेलं असेल. द केस वेअर डिस्क्रिमिनंट डेल्टा कम्स आउट टू बी लेस दॅन 0 मीन्स इट इज निगेटिव्ह, देन द रूट्स डज नॉट एक्झिस्ट. तुम्ही लिहिलं होतं पहा, रूट्स आर नॉट रियल, रूट्स आर नॉट द रियल रूट. इज क्लिअर? आणि तिथं तुम्ही टर्मिनेट करून घेतलं होतं पहा स्कूल लेवलला. इज इट? नाव लेट्स सी द सेम एक्झाम्पल. x square minus 4x plus 13. Compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c. It gives the value of a as a coefficient of x square, which is 1. Coefficient of x is a b, which is minus 4, and c as a constant term, which is 13. Is that clear? So, using this formula, it will use you x as a. So what is x? X as a minus b. So that's minus, plus or minus x as a minus b. Plus or minus b square. B is a negative 4, square is a 16, minus 4 into a into c. So a is 1, c is 13. So now it will give you 13 ones are 30 divided by 2 into a, which is 2 into 1. So finally it will use you x as a, in this case this will use you x as a minus of minus plus 4 plus or minus 13 fours are 52 divided by 2 into 1, it is 2. Is that clear? So it will give you 4 plus or minus. Now 16 minus 52. 16 minus 52. So this will use you like this. 52 minus 16. 12, 6. It's a 6. So I should take the borrow. So it is 4 minus 1. That is the 3. 36. Now it will be the minus 36 divided by 2. Now in this case, what is delta? Delta is a discriminant as a, so here delta b square minus 4ac, which is minus 36, and this minus 36 is the belonging to the last case. Delta is less than 0, so not a real root. Then how can we solve such type of quadratic equation? Means, so in this case here you have to face the situation in which we need to evaluate the square root of the negative number, which is not possible for us. By the same way, our mathematician always face the such a kind of situation in which they needs to find out the square root of that negative number, which is not possible for the real number system. म्हणजे जो प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला फेस करायला लागतोय, सेम प्रॉब्लेम मॅथमॅटिशियनला फेस करायला लागायचा. इट लुक्स लाईक दिस. अँड ऍट दॅट टाइम, सो द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन इट वॉज अनसॉल्वेबल. म्हणजे त्या काळी की खूप सारे प्रश्न हे अनसॉल्व राहिले जायचे. इन ऑर्डर टू ओव्हरकम सच काइंड ऑफ सिच्युएशन, सो एक्झॅक्टली सो रूट्स विल बी द नॉन रियल. किंवा तुम्ही 10th मध्ये लिहिला असेल की क्वेश्चन इज नॉट सॉल्वेबल. नाव in order to overcome this situation, mathematician, so it is the Euler is the name of mathematician, introduces the Greek letter. So mathematician introduces the square root of value, square root of -1 is equals to I. This is I, small I. It is introduced by the mathematician, and its a square value is equals to the, means just like squaring both sides. I square, this I becomes I square, remove the square root, so it will be the -1. I square is equals to -1. Keep in mind, this is the just assumptions or the standard introduction of the mathematician Euler. Euler is the mathematician, he introduces the Greek letter. So this is the Greek alphabet, IOTA असं त्याचं ग्रीक मध्ये प्रोनाउन्सिएशन आहे. That is square root of -1. So mathematician considered that, let us assume square root of -1 is equals to I, and on squaring both sides it gives I square is equals to -1, and that number I is called as, जो number mathematician ने introduce केलेला आहे, that number it is the imaginary number. So what is this? This is the imaginary. It's only the imagination, because in real number system, what is this? I square is equals to -1. There is no any number in the real number system whose square is the negative. रियल नंबर सिस्टीम मध्ये असा कुठलाच नंबर येत नाही की ज्याचा स्क्वेअर केल्यावरती तो निगेटिव्ह राहतो. So this is possible only in case of imaginary number. So that's why this is not the existing number, it's only the imagination, hence the name is the imaginary number. Is that clear? So what is the purpose or the use of that imaginary number? Due to that introduction, due to the insertion of this number in mathematics, mathematician were able to solve number of questions which was unanswerable, की जे पुढे आन्सर करताच येत नसायचे. Nowadays it can be completely solved due to this insertion. Now, so this is also called as imaginary number, or it is also called as imaginary unit. It is called as the imaginary number or the imaginary unit. Now, firstly, so write down the definition of the imaginary number. So this is our first point. समजले की नेमकं ह्याची गरज काय आहे? What is the need of this lesson? So write down the first point, that is the imaginary number. The definition, it is like this. The number in the form of so k into I, the number in the form of k into I, the standard definition, where that k is the real number, k is not equals to 0, and I is equals to square root of -1, or I square is equals to the number in the form of ki, k times of I, where I is the square root of -1, and hence I square is equals to -1. What is k? k is one real number. तो काही असेल, मग तुमचं पॉझिटिव्ह असेल, निगेटिव्ह असेल, इंटिजर असेल, फ्रॅक्शनल असेल, 1 असेल, 2, 3, -1, -2, 3, 1/2, 3/2, -1/2, -9, -7/2, etc. Other than the 0, number of this form are considered as a imaginary number. So now got the definition about the imaginary number. Now let's see the examples of the imaginary number. So example, it is only the I, because now here the coefficient is the 1. Next is the 3i. Next is the 2/3i. Next is the 4/3i. Next is the root 3 times of I, etc., etc., etc. So I can write n number of example related to that imaginary number. Now let's see one of the interesting example of this imaginary number. Student considered that this is not the imaginary number. So let's see that example. So please note down it. So now you know what is meant by imaginary number. Number in the form of just like real number multiplied by I. Real number multiplied by small I, where small I is the standard assumption. That is the I is equals to square root of -1 and I square is a -1. Now let's see that interesting example. So if I write square root of -25, it's only square root of -25. And if I ask, is it real number or is it imaginary number? So what is your answer? Is it imaginary? Imaginary असण्यासाठी तो कसा असणं गरजेचं आहे? One real number should be there, one real number must be there, which is finally multiplied by small I, iota. You may read like this, this is the imaginary number and I square as a -1. Now here, so in first observation you observe that the I is not there, but it is still considered as an imaginary number. Why is this like? See here. So can I write like this? So that's why I'm telling you the importance of the concept search. म्हणून तर तुम्हाला मी फाउंडेशन लेक्चर मध्ये सर्चचा कन्सेप्ट रिवाइज करून घेतलेला आहे. I can write like this. Again this can be written like this, square root of 25 and square root of -1. Next, you know that square root of 25. What the value of square root of 25? Is a 5 multiplied by square root of -1. Now put, what is the value of square root of -1? This is the standard insertion. Standard introduction. Square root of -1 is a I. Therefore it is 5i. Now it's taking the form of the k into I, constant real number multiplied by I. Constant real number 5 multiplied by I, so it is the imaginary number. म्हणजेच हा k times of I जो आहे, what is this? That is the imaginary number. Is that clear? Now, in that 5 times of I. Now once again, come back to the system of real numbers. थोडंसं आपण पाठीमागं जाऊयात. So number system, they are divided into the natural numbers, then whole numbers, then integers, then rational and irrational numbers, and all that are nothing but the real numbers. हे सगळे काय आहे? रियल नंबर्स आहेत. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल, so you know the concept of the imaginary number. So if I ask some number, then you will be easily able to categorize which numbers are the real numbers and which are the non-real. Non-real, that is nothing but the imaginary numbers. For example, suppose categorize the number, let it be the 2 minus 2 square root of 3, then it is square root of आत्ताच लिहिलेला आपण -25, then 7i. So real numbers, त्यातले real numbers which are, this is real, this is also real, this is real, this is also real, because root 4, or write like this, it is root 5. Root 5 is a real. Now imaginary. Imaginary. So this is first imaginary number. मगाशी पाहिलं आपण square. Why the square root of -25 is imaginary? And this is imaginary. Why it is imaginary? Because one real number it is multiplied by I. इथे नाही, पण इथे कसं लिहिलं तुम्ही? Square root of 25 is a 5i, because I square is a -1. I square, I is a square root of -1. मगाशी पाहिलं आपण. And another example is of the 7i. Means from the given list of number, you can easily categorize real numbers and imaginary number. Now, note down the numbers for the homework purpose. Homework. So, separate out. Separate out or list out. List out. List out given numbers as real. List out given numbers as real or imaginary. Is it? And the numbers, it will be 3i minus 2i square root of 9 square root of 25. It's 2y 3i 1 2 3 4. It's it. काय काम करायचंय की तो रियल आहे की इमॅजिनरी आहे एवढी फक्त तुम्हाला लिस्ट करायची आहे and you to send your homeworks on my WhatsApp number. So this is very interesting lesson. Now don't forget to see the next video and if it is or if you are understandable all the things that taught by me, so please inform to your friends. जर शिकवलेली व्यवस्थित समजत असेल तर तुमच्या जास्तीत जास्त मित्रांपर्यंत क्लासचं नाव तुम्हाला घेऊन जायचं आहे आणि हा व्हिडिओ तुमच्या मित्रांपर्यंत घेऊन जायचा आहे बिकॉज इन द नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ आय विल एक्सप्लेन व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स अबाउट द imaginary number as well as the complex number. So today we will stop here. Okay, thank you, fine. Have a nice day.